A little too close to the track. A little too close to the track.
Back up. Braylon, Jaden. Here, some more. Right there. Where Braylon is.
It's a steam engine. Uh-oh.
Jen, look at that.
Braylo.
People are going to be on the train. Jen, look at it. Just look at it.
What do you think about that, Braylo?
That's cool.
Was that cool?
That was loud.
Huh?
It was loud.
Was it loud?
Yeah.
That was cool, huh?
Loud, but cool.
Watch the light.
What do you think of that?
See, he passed it now, the light turned red.
That looks like a free hug. It looks like a... Hey, Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
You guys